Hyundai Tucson and Santa Fe, 2021 to 2024, key fob battery replacement in 5 easy steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. 1. Press on the button to release the key blade from the key fob. Two. Insert the flat blade screwdriver in the small hole from the key fob and then rotate it to open the cover. 3. Remove the cover from the key fob and then remove the battery. Hyundai Tucson and Santa Fe, 2021 to 2024, is using a CR2032 battery that you can find it in the video description below. 4. Install the new battery in place. Five. Install the cover back on the key fob and then place the key blade inside. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.